There's brother, if you can hear me. There's my dad. There's Jaden raving away. Amber's questionable age. How old are you, Amber?
12.
Oh, good. Is everyone sure on that?
His girlfriend don't know about it yet, but she will now.
What happens on Saturday? Can't get there.
Right now, Peter, what are you from again, Cadbury's after that? Colville, is that ready to make chocolate, Cadbury's?
Might even put an hole in it.
Would that family around? You get me?
That's what I'm saying.
Hello.
That's before she had a dark crew. Right, Cadbury again.
I don't think anyone realises I'm actually.
Sorry, I was just resisting myself.
Jaden! I've been recording for about 2 minutes. We'll be watching this tomorrow. We're definitely watching this tomorrow. Coca-Cola. It's got vodka in it. There's no fireworks.